Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add music to Facebook profile. So before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So to add a music to your Facebook profile, you have to open up Facebook on your Android and iOS, and then you need to tap on your profile image at the top right here, and then you need to tap on your profile name, or you can tap on your profile picture as well like this one, and this will open up your Facebook profile. And then you have to scroll down, and here you can see these options here like photos, avatars, live events, and if you scroll you can see this option where it says music. So just tap on this one, and this will be a blank list because we didn't add any music to our Facebook profile yet. So we will just tap on this plus icon at the top right here, and this will bring up some music here. Okay, so what I will just for the sake of this video here, I will just add this one here. So if you want to listen this, you can just simply tap on this play icon and you can listen to the music here. And if you wanted to add, just tap on this one here, and this will be ticked. Okay, just tap on it again, and now if you go back here, maybe it's in the list here. Okay, so just go back here again and tap on this. Sorry, something went wrong, please try again. So I don't know why it's went wrong, but you just have to basically click on this music here. So here you can see that we have just added this song here. Okay, so to add the song I will tell you again, just tap on this plus icon and just tap on the song that you wanted to add. Okay, so just tap on this song, and when it's tick, it's mean that the song has been added to your Facebook profile list. Okay, like this. Now if you want to add this song to your Facebook profile, or if you wanted to pin this song, so just tap on three dots next to the song here, and here it says pin to profile. Just tap on this one. Okay, song has been pinned, and when you just go back here, so here you can see that the song is pinned to my Facebook profile just below my name. Okay, so that's how to add music to Facebook profile. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.